Hello, today we're going to be walking you through our new learning template. This is going to be a quick demonstration of the template and its features. We will also have a separate video on actually setting up and configuring the template on our YouTube channel and in the Learning Template Help article. The first screen you'll see in the template is an onboarding screen. This is used to explain the template itself to you, the studio user, but you are able to update this to explain your personalized app to your end users. So if we swipe through a few different slides here, you can fully customize these photos and all of this language. Then we'll go ahead and click Start, and we'll be taken to a term screen.
You can include, please be sure to change this language. And then you will go to a login. You can also have a registration system that will allow users to register with email and password login and provide some additional information and notification preferences. Once a user is logged in, I'm already logged in here as an admin, they will be able to see home screen here. The home screen is really highlighted around courses. All of the other information available in the app is part of the hamburger menu here. We'll go through each of these. Again, I'm logged in as an admin. It would say my first name here and the course stats that I have. Any courses that I've specifically started are available here. I have just these two. I can access my completed courses. And then any other public courses would also show up here in the all courses section. I only have these two in this template. As an admin, I can also create a new course. This will allow me to create a name for the course. I can save it as a draft or make it public or private. If it's private, I need to assign users to it. Give it a description, an image, tell people how long it should take them to take. Set a due date so it can be fixed, like today is June 21st, it could be due today, or it could be calculated based off when the user starts. So it could be a few days, say 5 days here. Any categories that this course is part of, so things like technology and productivity, as you see there as placeholders. And you can have a certificate available. So this certificate, we have a few templates that are available, and you can customize, you can select from one of these templates. It will include the your company name, the person's name, and the title of the course, and you can select the font color and the font family to use. And you can preview that, and you can also add a logo. Going back to the main screen, we'll take a look again at the courses themselves. So once an admin has added a course, if it's public, again, users will be able to see it here in all courses. Or if it's private and it's been assigned to them, they'll be able to see that. Once they start a course, it'll show up here in my courses. And as an admin, again, I can edit the course. All users can reset their own progress if they want to restart a course, or I can continue and kind of pick up where I left off. You can see I've completed 25% of this course. This is an explanation of the course, and here are the different lessons inside of the course. If I go ahead and start this lesson, you can see I'm on a quiz, so I can come through here and answer these questions. I'm just going to do it kind of randomly really quick. And if I hit next, I have unfortunately failed the quiz. You can see what my score was and what the pass mark was. We also have a test pass screen that is available, or you can customize this functionality so that when a user fails or passes a quiz, they're taken to another screen in the app or a different website or shown a specific document. Again, I'll be able to see all of the different lessons here and all of the different items within a lesson. And as an admin, you can have items like text, files, or as I just demonstrated, quizzes. Admins will also be able to see a variety of reports. So we have these 5 different reports available to admins. They can see progress on all courses, a single course, individual quizzes. So seeing the specific answers inside of quizzes and how users are doing on those. An overview of all users and a look at individual users. And non-admin users will also be able to access my report, which is just the individual user screen. They will not be able to select the user that they can see. They will only see themselves and be able to select a date range and see any progress that they've made in kind of these percentages, a chart breakdown, and then also a data table as well. You can see I don't have any progress here. Some other items, again, the completed courses. Once a course is completed, it'll show up here and users will be able to access the certificate for that course if there is one. Decision trees, we have a very basic example, but we think this can be useful in this template to show users what quiz they may need to take. So we have by job title, you select a variety of different fields and get kind of shown this answer of you should take compliance training. The glossary will have helpful terms or phrases that they may need to know. And as an admin, I can add additional terms. We have some very simple examples here, which explain some of the items inside of the template itself. A document library. So these would be files that are not associated with any course, general learning materials, or other things of that nature. They can be actual files, or they can be links out to websites as well. A discussion forum. This is meant to be a public forum. Any user can come in here and ask a question or start a discussion topic. They can relate it to a specific course. This will populate with the list of all of the courses you have. And then going back to this discussion, other users can come in here and leave comments and reply to the topic and kind of have a back and forth discussion. Admins can also lock this down if they don't want to let people comment or only have admins set up the topics. You can modify that. A survey, so we have a very simple example of a survey that you may give out at certain times, maybe after a user completes a course or things like that. Just an example of some star ratings and some other optional fields that users can fill in. Ask a question. This would potentially go back to the administrator of this app for support or feedback to allow users to ask questions directly. Edit profile. Again, if you have a registration system, it's good to allow users to come back here and modify their information. And then notifications. There are a series of notifications that will trigger reminders and things of the sort automatically based on quiz due dates or course due dates and things like that. But you can also send regular notifications. And as an admin, I get access to this admin menu where I can manage users, send out the communications, and again, look at all of those different reports that are available. So that is our quick overview of the template. Again, if you want to actually set it up and dive into more detail, we have a help article in our help center, and we will have a configuration video there and on our YouTube channel. Thank you, and let us know if you have any questions.